Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring some amazing kitchen gadgets that can make your cooking faster, easier, and honestly, a lot more enjoyable. From chopping to steaming, opening cans, cooking eggs, and even making sandwiches, these tools are designed to simplify everyday tasks while saving you time in the kitchen. Let's dive right in. The first gadget is the BLACK+DECKER electric food chopper. It is perfect for quick, small jobs. With a compact design and a 150-watt motor, it can handle herbs, vegetables, fruits, breadcrumbs, or even chocolate with ease. The stainless steel blades stay sharp for long-lasting performance, while the one-touch pulse control makes chopping simple. It also includes oil holes so you can drizzle in olive oil when making dressings or hummus without creating a mess. When you're done, cleanup is a breeze. The removable parts are dishwasher safe. Small but powerful, this chopper is a great companion for everyday prep work. The second gadget is Bella 2-tier food steamer. It makes healthy cooking easy and versatile. With its 7.4 quart capacity, you can steam vegetables, fish, meats, tofu, or even rice all at once. Thanks to its 2 stackable baskets, you can cook different foods simultaneously without mixing flavors. The clear water level indicator helps you know exactly when to refill, while the removable base and dishwasher safe baskets make cleanup simple. Safety features like auto shutoff and boil-dry protection give you peace of mind. Whether it's a light dinner or a complete meal, this steamer helps you cook quickly and healthily. Say goodbye to sharp edges with the Hamilton Beach Smooth Touch electric can opener. Designed with a side-cutting mechanism, it leaves smooth, touchable lids that can even be reused for storing leftovers. It works with both standard and pop-top cans, eliminating the hassle of messy or dangerous lids. The easy touch lever allows you to open cans effortlessly with one hand, making it ideal for anyone looking for convenience. With its sleek black and chrome design, it also looks stylish on any countertop. As America's #1 can opener brand, Hamilton Beach combines practicality with reliability in this smart kitchen tool. The fourth gadget is the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. It is a must-have for egg lovers. Compact yet versatile, it can cook up to 7 eggs at once. Hard-boiled, soft-boiled, poached, scrambled, or even omelets. With its simple one-touch operation and automatic shutoff feature, you'll get perfectly cooked eggs every time without the guesswork. It's especially handy for meal prep or quick breakfasts on busy mornings. Easy to clean and small enough to fit in any kitchen, the Dash Egg Cooker is a reliable way to make eggs exactly how you like them, fast and hassle-free. And last but not least, the Hamilton Beach Sandwich Maker. If breakfast is the busiest part of your day, the Hamilton Beach Sandwich Maker is a real time saver. In just 5 minutes, you can cook 1 or 2 sandwiches at once, making it perfect for couples, kids, or even meal prep. Instead of relying on fast food or frozen options, you can create your own sandwiches at home with fresh bread, eggs, cheese, and your choice of meats or veggies. The built-in countdown timer with an audible beep means you'll never have to guess when your meal is ready. Cleanup is also hassle-free, thanks to the non-stick, dishwasher-safe parts. For quick, hot, and customizable sandwiches without leaving your kitchen, this maker is a winner. And there you have it, 5 handy kitchen gadgets that bring convenience, speed, and versatility to your cooking routine. Whether you're chopping, steaming, opening cans, making eggs, or building sandwiches, these tools can save you time and effort while delivering great results. Which one of these would you